Hello you guys, I am in New York this week hanging out with my friends, and I wanted to take you guys along for at least today, and we can go get some food at some nice vegan restaurants so we can explore the city. What you doing? I'm even going to be on one of my girlfriend's podcasts. So I figured, why not film a vlog and take you guys along with me? So I'm having my coffee right now, and then in a minute I'm gonna make some oatmeal. Just keeping it simple with oatmeal. My girlfriend just left to go to work. And then, after I eat breakfast, we're gonna get dressed and head out. So let's get started with our day in New York. Oh, you do have my cookbook in stock? Great, thanks, bye. Have you ordered my cookbook, Vegan Vibes, yet? You're gonna love this book. It's got 100 delicious vegan recipes that are inspired by the South, by my travels all around the world, and just like good food. You know what I'm saying? Order today. Kitty, hi Blueberry. My friend Isabel has such a beautiful house and kitchen. I think it would be perfect for a cooking show, don't you think? So I just made myself a nice bowl of oatmeal, and I topped it with blueberries, hemp seeds, and dates. And I'm sitting down to do a little editing before I leave. I just have to prepare my YouTube video for this week. But look who is chilling with me while I'm eating. Blueberry muffin. I'm getting dressed, but I'm not quite headed to the city yet because I need to go to a beauty supply store to get some edge gel. So I'm just gonna braid up my hair real quick, run to the beauty supply store, and that'll be a nice walk because I have not left the house all morning. It's already 10:30. I have been working on my computer and I've been filming this video, obviously, so I don't feel like I'm a total bum, but it'll be nice to get some fresh air and get outside. You know, one thing I really do not miss about living here, the inevitable, horrible smells of summer. I'm walking down this block and the whole time it's just like an assault of smells. And this is like a nice block. It's in Brooklyn. It's not even in Manhattan. So I know it's gonna smell even worse when I get there. Before I head to the city, I'm gonna do my makeup and finish getting dressed. And I plan to leave a couple hours early so that I can hopefully fit in some lunch and maybe some shopping. I'm finally done getting dressed. I didn't really want to wear this dress, but it's so comfortable and I have to take the subway, so we're wearing it. I put a little belt on it for a little bit of interest. I hope I like it, you know, a little different texture, a little cute bag, and I think I have everything I need to get out of here. I don't know where I'm gonna go first, but I know I'm getting on the subway and I'm looking for a thrift store. Let's go find one. Ooh. My plans have completely changed. The subway is not running, so I can't get to Manhattan. I have to take the bus. It's gonna take like a whole hour to get there at least. So I'm gonna have to figure out another time to go get lunch. Hopefully I'll find something over there. So I just gotta make it. I'll be a little early, I hope. But it looks like I won't be late. Saga continues. I'm still on my way. I'm not gonna be late, but now I'm off that bus. I think I was on that bus for 45 minutes, y'all. My butt was hurting, and I finally made it to a subway line that is working, that is running. Finally made it off the MTA, public transportation, and I'm walking to the studio. I'm here in Tribeca, which is such a cute little neighborhood. I haven't been here in a long time, so I'm happy I get to walk a little bit before the shoot. We just finished recording the podcast. It was so much fun. Say More podcast. When it goes live, I'll make sure to share it across all my socials so you guys can listen to it. But I want to introduce you to the girls, the hosts.
Hey!
Here are the hosts of the show, Isabel and Elle. I love this studio. So they've got these super cushy, comfortable seats. I was sitting there on the sofa, which is really comfortable, and I was like laying back, y'all. I was really relaxed. And there's the producers over there. Hi, guys.
Studio Friends, shout out.
Shout out Studio Friends.
Yes. Oh, that's the name of the company?
Yes.
That's a great name for a company. I love that. And we're in Tribeca, so it's like such a cool location. I feel like a supermodel and, you know, walking on those cobblestone streets. But it was really fun. I can't wait for you guys to hear it. After the podcast interview, they walked me up to Canal to a new grocery store called Happier. It's super similar to Los Angeles' famous Erewhon, and like Erewhon, it's a super duper expensive health food store. But the food was so tasty. I think it was worth it this one time for the convenience, the quality, and of course, the novelty. The podcast was so much fun, and I was starving afterwards. We went to Happier grocery store. Actually, I went by myself, and that really hit the spot. Now I'm headed to my girlfriend's house for dinner. I know I'm going to dinner. I just ate, but I was so hungry because I missed lunch and all that subway trouble. So, oh my gosh, I had to eat. But here's the thing. I have got to get from here to Greenpoint, which is very difficult. I'm not looking forward to another subway debacle. So, fingers crossed. It's all easy from here. And then later tonight, I'll take a cab to back to Isabel's. It's a new day. I am headed out. It's morning. I'm going to go thrift shopping. My girlfriend is still working. So later when she's off, we're going to probably do some more shopping, maybe go out to lunch. We'll see. But in the meantime, I'm going to head out and go to a thrift store here in Brooklyn. Because it's summer, I'm really looking for some linen pants and also some oversized shirts. Linen, cotton, button up, so that I can wear them, in my yard, around the house, around the neighborhood, but, nice and light. These are brand new, these J. Jill pants. They say they're a size small, but they look a little too big. But this is basically what I'm looking for, so hopefully I can find in my size, but these are actually brand new. The tag, the original tag. I did not see anything that I liked at that thrift store. I've got a little bit of time to kill, so I am walking to another one, and it's going to take me about 20 minutes to get there. I guess I'll be listening to the people honk in the meantime. Of course, I started having to pee so bad. I'm almost at the thrift store. It's on the other side of this block, but I have to find a place to pee first. I cannot hold it anymore. So I found a little coffee shop, and it looks like they have bathrooms, so fingers crossed. Of course, after using their bathroom, I felt compelled to buy something. I got a raspberry iced tea. They did not have decaf coffee, unfortunately, but this is super refreshing and delicious. Went to a cute little place called Lazy Susie Cafe. Very cute. And the man at the barista man was so sweet. I also got a tahini cookie because I have the best tahini cookies. I have to try theirs as well. I was going to go sit outside, but there's no seating outside or inside. So I'm just walking. After I finish this and do my shopping, I'll try that cookie and we'll see how it is. But right now I'm walking to that thrift store. It's called L Train Thrift, L Train Vintage, something like that. This was a nice size store with loads of clothes, but will I find anything? First, let's try this cookie. This is a cool store, but I'm still not finding anything I need. I actually am looking for a couple of very specific things. I did pull these jeans to try on, so I guess I'll try them on, but I don't know. They're only $8. I get them. But I'm not finding what I need. I needed that linen. I needed that oversized shirts. So I might have to buy it new. But I do like to try thrift first, especially in New York, because there's so many amazing options. But I just don't want to buy much of what I don't need, All right, I didn't find anything at the store, but I did start eating the cookie in there, and it's pretty good. Of course, it's nowhere near as good as my recipe. So if you guys want a tahini cookie, use my recipe for sure. It's on supertastesoul.com, and I will link it down below. We're in the city now. We're headed
to Chloe. Chloe on Bleecker.
Chloe on Bleecker.
I have to go get something delicious.
I cannot wait because that used to be one of my favorite restaurants when I lived here.
And it reopened, which is so exciting.
And it's all vegan.
Yes.
So we are going to eat there, and I'm so happy to be in Greenwich Village, which is so cute.
Yes.
I love it here. We walked and talked and talked and talked and walked and talked, which is our favorite thing to do. Chloe is one of my favorite vegan restaurants in New York City. She closed for a little while, but I am so happy that the original location is open once again. Okay, we just ate this entire meal. But we have leftovers, but we're not taking them because we are going to go walk around. I want to finish everything because I hate wasting food, but if I do, I'm going to regret it because I'm going to pop, like literally explode. But it was good, right?
Oh my god, it was so delicious, and I had only planned to get a tiny little snack.
You got dinner.
Yeah, for sure.
Now it's time for some shopping. Okay, finally got some clothes. Victory! We each got something now.
We did.
Yes.
Another pair of black pants for me.
Yes, her favorite color, obviously. And what did I get? Did I get any color?
You did.
Ah, the lavender.
You got a beautiful lavender dress.
Beautiful. I can't wait to share it with
Yes.
everyone. And now we're gonna get some water. I'm so thirsty. I never don't bring my water bottle.
I know, me neither. I don't know what I was thinking. I think it's because it's cooler out today.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, do I really need water? And the answer is yes. You
Yes,
always need
always. Now I'm parched. Okay, we'll find some water.
water. Yes.
Maybe a glass bottle, but I'm so thirsty I can do plastic.
Okay.
It's fine. After we got our water, we headed back to Isabel's for dinner. She cooked everything and it was so delicious, fresh, and healthy. And then we went to sleep because the next morning I was heading back to Atlanta to see baby Jay, to go back home and feeling recharged after a nice few days spent in New York City.